Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to quickly search through a document in Microsoft Word using three powerful tools: Find, Replace, and Go To. To use it, press Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on a Mac. A search pane will appear on the left side of your screen. In the search box, type the word or phrase you want to look for. Word will highlight every occurrence, and you can move through them one by one using the up and down arrows. You can also access Find from the Home tab in the Editing group. There are a few extra options to make your search more precise. For example, you can use Match Case to find text with the exact capitalization you typed. Or, enable Find Whole Words only to make sure you're finding just the word cat and not part of a longer word like catalog. Now let's move on to Replace. Replace is like Find, but even more powerful because it lets you substitute text with something new. To use it, press Ctrl+H on Windows or Command+H on a Mac. The Find and Replace dialog box will open. In the Find With field, type the text you want to locate. In the Replace With field, type the text you want to insert instead. Then click Find Next to jump to the first match. You can choose Replace to change just that one, or Replace All to change every single occurrence in the document. Find and Replace can also handle formatting. Click the More button in the dialog box, and you'll see options to search for specific formatting, like bold or italics. You can even use Replace formatting to change styles, for example converting all italic text into normal text in one step. Finally, let's look at the Go To feature. Go To lets you jump directly to a particular location in your document, which is much faster than scrolling. To use it, press Ctrl+G on Windows or Command+G on Mac. You can also access it by going to the Home tab, clicking Find, and selecting Go To. A dialog box will appear where you can choose exactly where you want to go. For example, type in a page number to jump directly to that page. You can also go to a section, a line number, a bookmark, or even a specific footnote or endnote. If you're working on a long report and need to go straight to page 12, simply type page 12 and Word will take you there instantly. So, to recap. Use Find to quickly locate words or phrases. Use Replace to swap them out or change formatting. And use Go To when you want to jump directly to a specific place in your document. Mastering these tools will save you time and make working with long documents much easier. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.